Replace excessive breaths with room tone. Enhance your audio quality with seamless editing. Today, we are tackling a common issue in voice recordings: excessive breaths. Replace them with room tone for a seamless audio experience. Identifying excessive breaths. Identify spots where breaths are too loud or distracting. While natural breaths add authenticity, excessive ones can break your flow. Recording room tone. Before you begin to edit, record about 10 seconds of room tone in your recording space. This will serve as a backdrop to fill any gaps you create when removing breaths. Editing tips for smooth audio. In your editing software, identify the breath sounds and replace them with a half second of room tone. This technique helps maintain audio consistency and creates a more natural listening experience. Using room tone for removing excessive breaths can significantly enhance your recordings. Practice these techniques to keep your audio professional and polished. If you found this technique useful, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful content from Mojo Friday and VoiceOver Extra. Stay updated with tips and tricks to elevate your voiceover skills.